Doing an MBA after engineering is a very popular career choice, and there are many engineering graduates who have risen the top of the corporate ladder through this route. However, there are some who also object to this career choice, and they say that if you eventually had to do an MBA, why waste 4 years in engineering? You could have as well taken up commerce or arts also. That engineering seat which you took, which was very hard to get, could have been used by somebody else who was actually serious about engineering education. But frankly speaking, just after passing 12th, is it really possible to know what your real interests are? You may at best watch some online videos, attend some introductory sessions, or maybe play with some experimental kids. But that's very different from actual engineering education. Unless you get into an engineering college and spend 4 years, you really don't get to know what engineering is all about. So, just after passing 12th, it's almost impossible to predict what your real career choice will be 4 years down the line. Also, is it a good idea for all corporate managers to be arts and commerce graduates? Isn't a technical background important in management decision making in many companies, especially those that are tech driven? Finally, and perhaps most importantly, engineering education is not just about learning some equations in class or some experimental techniques in your lab. At the fundamental level, engineering education is about developing a certain rational and analytical approach towards life and decision making. And this is valuable not just in engineering but in almost all walks of life. So don't cage yourself in any of these small artificial boxes. Life is much bigger than that. Reach out, grow, and prosper.